Hi, I'm Josh, and this video is about tardigrades, the toughest animal on the planet. Tardigrades, often known as water bears, are an 8-legged animal from the phylum Tardigrada, which is closely related to the phylum Arthropoda. Depending on the species, tardigrades either self-fertilize or reproduce sexually, which can be done with direct or indirect contact. The average size is between a tenth and a half millimeter long. Their body walls are built with both smooth and striated muscle bands, which are often made of one or few muscle cells. In indirect fertilization, females can lay anywhere between 1 and 30 eggs. They shed their molt with the eggs remaining inside, and males can come along to fertilize the eggs. Water bears can be found anywhere on Earth, living in some of the harshest conditions possible. They have the ability to survive living in boiling water in temperatures up to 150 degrees Celsius. They can live frozen up to 30 years and survive in temperatures as low as negative 200 degrees Celsius. Tardigrades have a unique protein known as D-sub. This allows them to survive radiation doses of 4,000 grays. In comparison, 4 grays of radiation can be very harmful to humans. Tardigrades are also the first known animal that can survive the vacuum of space. They were put on a satellite to test how conditions would affect them, and while the lack of air didn't seem to cause any harm, the ultraviolet radiation did harm the DNA. One reason tardigrades are so tough is because they have the ability to perform anhydrobiosis, which in Greek means life without water. When anhydrobiosis is performed, tardigrades lose 97% of the water in their bodies and enter a tun state. In a tun state, all processes in their bodies are shut down until rehydration. This is possible because of tardigrade-specific intrinsic disordered proteins, also known as TDPs. Disordered proteins have unstable secondary and tertiary structures and have random coiling due to the unwinding of the alpha helix. In humans, disordered proteins can lead to diseases such as Parkinson's disease or breast cancer from a defect of the protein caused by the BRCA1 gene. In tardigrades with TDPs upregulated, the cellular matrix is filled with the proteins, creating a glass-like matrix that protects the organelles from breaking down. When water re-enters the system, the glass-like matrix melts and the organelles will regain their function over time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed learning about tardigrades. All source links can be found below in the description.